Now let's look at the gains and losses from tariffs. So here in the first graph, there is no restriction. So we have free trade. When there is free trade, US follows the world price of t-shirts, which is $5. We can see that when the price is $5, the consumer surplus is under the demand curve and over the price, which is this big triangle, right? And the producer surplus is over the supply curve and below the price, which is this small blue triangle. Okay, and this area, this triangle is the gain from free trade, and because of free trade, now more t-shirts is being purchased by the buyers. So that is why this extra gain is formed because of this free trade. Okay, and now if we move to the next graph, which is a market with tariff. So in this case, a tariff of $2 per t-shirt has been imposed on by the US government. So earlier the price was $5, and now with the $2 tariff, the new price is $7. And if we find out the consumer surplus, it is below the demand curve and over the price, which is this green triangle. This is the consumer surplus. We can see that the consumer surplus is lower than the consumer surplus when there was free trade. Okay, so due to the tariff, the consumer surplus has shrunk. What happened to the producer surplus? The producer surplus is the area above the supply curve and below the price, and this blue triangle is the producer surplus, and you can see that this producer surplus has expanded. So some of the consumer surplus has been transferred to the producer surplus, right? So this area of B was inside the consumer surplus when there was free trade, but now after the tariff has been imposed, this area has been transferred to the producer surplus. Okay, and we have also found out the tariff revenue, which is this purple rectangle, the D. So it is just the tariff amount multiplied by the number of imported t-shirts. So this is the tariff revenue, and it is a gain for the government because this money goes to the government. Okay, but what is the loss? There is a loss here. Okay, because of this trade restriction, the society faces a loss, and that is the deadweight loss from the tariff. Okay, so the deadweight loss is this area C and this area E. Why do we face this deadweight loss? We face this deadweight loss because of the increased price and lower purchase of t-shirts because of the increased price. Okay, let's go to the, if we want to go more in details on who has gained and who has lost and why, let's look at this slide. A tariff on an imported good creates a winners and losers and a social loss. When the government imposes a tariff on an imported good, these things happens, okay? The US consumers of the good lose. We have seen that the consumer surplus shrinks. Why does it shrink? Because of the combination of the higher price and the smaller quantity bought, the consumer surplus decreases. And the US producers of the good gains. We have seen that the producer surplus has increased. The combination of a higher price and the larger quantity produced increases the producer surplus. So because of the higher price, now more quantity is being produced and the producer surplus is increasing. Okay. The US consumers lose more than the US producers gain. Consumer surplus decreases for 4 reasons. Some becomes producer surplus. We have seen the transfer of consumer surplus to producer surplus once the tariff is imposed. Some is lost in a higher cost of production because domestic producers have higher costs, higher opportunity costs than foreign producers. And some is lost because imports decrease and some goes to the government as tariff revenue. So we have seen the consumer surplus shrunk a fair bit, right? So the consumer surplus lost this whole area because of tariff. This B area goes to the producer surplus. This C area is a loss because of the higher cost faced by the producers. This D area is the government tariff revenue. It goes to the government. And this E is a loss, a deadweight loss because of lower quantity demanded, okay? Because now less t-shirts are being sold in the market, we face this loss, and this is the area of E. So this complete B, C, D, E is the loss of consumer surplus because of the imposing of tariff. The increase in production cost and the loss from decreased imports is transferred to no one. This is society's loss, and this is what we call the deadweight loss. So these two areas, so this area B, it is transferred to producer surplus, right? And this area D, which used to be the consumer surplus, it has been transferred to the government revenue. But this C and E, this surplus doesn't go to anyone. This is a complete loss, and this is the society's loss, and we call it the deadweight loss. Okay.